Today for history. According to former Edo Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, in talk say today will be 8 April 2025 mark 1 year since them killed democracy and better governance for Edo State under the reign of former Governor Godwin Obaseki. Oga Shaibu yan say that time remain one of the darkest moments for in political history, sake of say he just get the boldness to want serving people to contest and succeed the then governor. Oga Shaibu tok say na serious political ambush e be, say dem not just break constitutional law, dem throw truth, justice and friendship inside gutter as loyalty turn betrayal. Comrade Philip Shaibu chukma atop this yarnings as in receive Edo APC Chemo Emperor Jared Tenebe for one solidarity visit. He tok say all of that political wahala not shake am at all, sake of say him believe say last truth go win, and say thank God him win. Say after the heavy legal wahala, the Niger judiciary stand gidigba for justice and carry him go back to his seat as the original deputy governor of Edo State. Oga Shaibu tok say but this wahala no end there, as the then governor Godwin Obaseki no gree recognize him as in deputy governor. Una go remember say for September 18, 2023, the former governor Godwin Obaseki lock Shaibu May office, wey make Oga Shaibu and his aides stand for front of the lock office for over 1 hour. Comrade Shaibu Kosti say Obaseki lock him out of government matter, blocking salary and benefit even after court don't give order, and in last in tenure end for November 12, 2024.
The governor said they should block it, that they're using the office for something else. I have not moved to anywhere. Nobody has given me letter to move to anywhere. Nobody has given me letter. So if governor say I've moved, I have not moved. I have not moved. The governor did not give me letter. Nobody has given me letter to move. So how will I move out of my office? I'm here now, the gate is locked. I'm padlocked. So maybe, I don't know. So I call the governor, is not picking. So you call the governor that I didn't move because I didn't get any letter to move.
Oga Shaibu tok say but today, he had the jolly with thanks first to Baba God, then to the court wey no bend, to in legal team, in family, friends, political party them, and the good people of Edo State wey stand with them. He come also throw a special salute to the staff of the Deputy Governor's office and in personal aides wey chop harassment but not run, say their loyalty too strong. Shaibu come also salute religious leaders, elder statesmen and people wey talk sense that time, say na their advice make him pull in case comot from court, sake of say him believe say peace go reign. Say he even shake hand with Obaseki, but after the handshake, Obaseki still carry the betrayal come back wey make the impeachment plan start again. Comrade Philip Shaibu come also chukmat on top wetin in learn from the matter, wey be say politics not supposed lose humanity, say power dey go but truth, courage and honor go always remain. A talk say the experience teach am say to stand for wetin right dey very important, even if e no popular, say truth fit delay but e no dey die. Shaibu come also yarn say im see the real power wey dey for the people, say na their prayers, voices and support hold am when darkness full everywhere. Eko talk say today he no dey look back with bitterness, but say he dey look back with pride, with gratitude and with better hope for Edo State future. Oga Shaibu come here and say, and I quote, "We may have been bruised, but we are not broken. We may have been betrayed, but we are not bitter. We stand stronger, wiser and more committed to building a just, inclusive and democratic society." Shaibu come talk say make today remind us say the road to justice fit long, but it go always reach.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. My chairman, the APC chairman, Edo State, and my brother, in whom that we have shared a lot of things, both good and bad, all we've shared together. I'm deeply humbled and happy and joyous that even this occasion has brought us together as one that we are. You are one person that I've always admired, or somebody that I grew up with you, and the person that actually separated us has also reunited us, and that is the beauty of what has happened. And I want to assure you that as we move on, I am, by the grace of God, humbled, and I'm also happy, just like you said. This whole thing happened between Lent and Ramadan, and the lessons of Lent and Ramadan is obvious. I am not ready to change my attitude. I'm ready to be a friend, a loyal friend, a loyal partner What has happened will not change my quest to be loyal to anybody that I will work with. And I will encourage everybody to be loyal to their boss. I was a loyal person, and I'm still loyal.
Edo APC Chemu Emperor Jared Tinebe for in part talk say.
Well, I'm here to pay you this solidarity visit because I still regard you as the deputy governor of Edo State. Because what they did, the sham they did at the House of Assembly today, is a disgrace to the governor. It's an aberration to our democracy, which I know that the court will not allow you to stand. You are somebody who stood out. The price you just paid today is the price of loyalty. You were loyalty, even to the detriment of people you started with. You paid that price, and Easter just got past, and we know what the price Jesus Christ paid. He died for our sins. What has happened to you today is a replica of what happened during what Jesus Christ did for us. He died for our sins. Today they removed you as deputy governor. We still regard you as the deputy governor. It's a price that you have paid to ensure that Obaseki and his semblance are rooted out of Edo. I can tell you that we will not allow you to walk alone. We are with you in spirit. In any way it comes, we are with you. You are a strong guy. I'm here as the chairman of APC Edo State, and also I'm Zaire EDHA, where we both come from. You should be strong, and I implore you to continue to pursue this matter in court, and we will be with you all through. God is your strength.
Make una not forget say, as we see him, now so we dey talk him. We know the take blame. Ekata Ojesele, TMC News.